Is the February RoccaBox. This has a value of £157. This edit is called British Beauty. Yeah guys, we need to get in here ASAP to see what goodies we've got. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video we are going to be unboxing this. This is the February RoccaBox. Let's get in here. So yes, if you have not noticed, I am sounding a bit different. I am feeling really rubbish to be honest. Started off with a sore throat for a couple of days, and I've woke up this morning, my nose is just blocked, and then I had a sneezing fit, and then it's running, and then I've got a head cold to go with it, and just razor blades down my throat. It's awesome. And I've started wheezing on my chest as well. It's great, absolutely great. But yeah, so this is the box. So this is £15 per month. It's £3.95 postage. The longer you subscribe to this box, the cheaper that it gets. So you can subscribe for like a 3, 6 or a 12-month subscription. I have a link. I don't know if it still works. I think I had somebody comment last month saying it wasn't working. But I went and checked it out on their website and they said it's absolutely fine, so I don't know what's going on. But I'll link it down below in the information box and the comment box. If you click that, you'll get your first box half price, which is always good. Let's open her up. This is what it looks like inside. We have the edit card, and the edit card says that this edit is called British Beauty. It has information on all the products that are in here, which is fab. We'll be looking at that throughout the video. Not a very good sneak peek because it's kind of covered, but let's have a proper dig through to see exactly what we've got. So on the edit card there is a big note here. On all the beauty unboxes that I do, they generally do come with a big note, and lately I just haven't been reading them because I just want to get stuck into the products, and that's exactly what we're going to do now. So we're just going to ignore that note. Well, there it is. If you want to screenshot it, you can read it if you want, but I'm jumping straight into the product. The first product we have is this. This is by the brand Vitabiotics. I'm saying that wrong. I do apologise. And this just says brains CBD 1000 milligrams. Let's have a look. Oh, it's a supplement. I didn't actually look at the label. I thought it was like a serum or something for your face. No, it is a supplement derived from hemp plants. It's for overall wellness or to provide natural support for a therapeutic lifestyle. They recommend taking 7 drops 2 times a day under the tongue for maximum absorption. Consult your doctor before using. Okay, that's different, very different. This has an RRP of £59.95, so you might as well say 60 quid. This actually sounds so interesting. Nearly spilling it everywhere. That is the bottle. It's just a little dropper bottle. We get a leaflet in the pack as well. That's what it looks like. Okay, yeah, I'll definitely have to give that a go. I wonder if that will help at all with Crohn's and fibromyalgia, which is something I unfortunately have, along with arthritis. But yeah, definitely worth giving a go to see if it works. The second item we've got in the box is this. So this is by the brand Forever You, and these are beauty sticks. They have a value of £49.99. Wow. Second product in the box, and it's another big value item. That is more like it, RoccaBox. It just says, grab your glow on with this multitasking trio. The moisture stick is perfect for adding instant hydration. The tint gives a natural blush to the cheeks, forehead and lips, neck and décolletage area. And finally, the highlight stick provides a touch of shimmer when applying over the eyelids, neck and collarbones. We're obsessed. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside. So yeah, on here it's got step 1, step 2, step 3. Let's have a look at step 1, shall we? Step 1. Okay, so it just feels like a balm. See that glow that it's left behind? It does feel very hydrating. I can't smell anything at the moment. I do apologise. I am bugged up with cold. But it feels nice and it's left a really beautiful glow. I don't know how well you're picking that up in the camera, but it does look nice. It's step 2. Oh yeah, so yeah, it's red. Let's just go above. Put too much on. Oh, that's gonna look lovely on the cheeks and the lips. I don't know if I'd want that on the eyes because you can feel it is like balmy. Unless you set it with a powder, then I'd be happy. But yeah, that's a really, really nice colour. Step 3 is this. Okay, so that might be a bit dark for me if I'm honest, but let's blend it out. Can you see that there? But if I put like a bronzer on or whatever, I can be like a little topper for a bronzer and then a light powder over the top. Does look bonny though, doesn't it? Really nice. The third product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Beauty Pro and this is hand serum. This has an RRP of £9 and it just says say goodbye to dry dehydrated hands with this ultra hydrating serum. Perfect for winter when your skin can feel dry and damaged. This vitamin rich formula uses water, lemon, pomegranate, kiwi and organic lime oil to deeply lock in moisture and soothe the skin. So love Beauty Pro, a really, really affordable, good brand. They do awesome products. I've tried loads of sheet masks from them and whatnot, so it's really nice to actually get a product for your hands because we do actually forget about hands. Obviously hand creams have gone around in the boxes over and over again, but to get an actual hand serum, you can put this with your skincare in the morning and pop it on when you're putting your face on basically. Very big box for a little box. So that is what it looks like. It is, yeah, definite serum consistency. Again, I can't smell anything because of the whole nose situation. But yeah, that feels awesome on the skin. I'm just feeling it now. It's absorbing into the skin. I was thinking it was going to leave like a layer on my hands, but as I say, as time passes I can feel it absorbing in. So the fourth item we've got in here is this. So this is by the brand Figs and Rouge and it's Sea Pearl Hollow Dew Drops. This has an RRP of £30 and it just says beautiful skin starts with a balanced revitalized complexion, which is why we adore these illuminating drops. Not only do they restore vitality and balance dull complexion, sometimes the winter skin craves, but its clever moisturising formula is also enriched with algae, aloe and skin loving vitamins to soothe, brighten for a soft healthy glow. Yeah, we have received these in a multitude of boxes over the last couple of years. I think I have 1 or 2 of these in my drawer already. Is this open? If it is, I'm not gonna, okay, it is, so I will show you since it's opening anyway. You can see that's where it is there. It's like green and you can see it's got like some shimmers in it. Just massaged it in there. It's left like a glow here. Can you see? I don't think my camera's doing it any justice at all. It is nice and it is really, really hydrating as well. Which reminds me, because I definitely have got this in my drawer already, I'm going to have to get using it because it just feels like skincare. That is a fantastic primer for under makeup. So yeah, cool. Fifth and final product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Ovarium. I probably messed that name up, but never mind. And this is Restful Sleep Mist. This is a mini product and it's got an RRP of £8 and it just says looking for a way to help you wind down. We've got the thing. We love this pillow mist because it helps promote tranquil mind and restful sleep. and it's essential for maintaining mood, metabolism and memory. The sweet citrus notes of bergamot and warm rich woodiness of amaranth and a full body fruitiness of potent high altitude lavender combine to create a calming scent that you can have you drifting off to dreamland in no time. Sounds awesome, but when they say this is mini, it's mini. There's 5 mils in here. This might have to be like the smallest pillow mist I've ever received. Here it is. Really cute packaging, I must say. Let's see what the nice fine mister. Yeah, again, I'm really sorry. I don't even know why I did that. Just to see what the mist is like, because I can't actually smell it. But yeah, when I get my nose back, I will certainly spray that on my pillow and test it on out. Right guys, so this is the February RoccaBox. This box is worth £156, £157. What do you think? So personally, I think RoccaBox have finally taken a step up, which we were promised when the box prices went up ages ago. But with this box, we have, my chair's really squeaky, but sorry. But with this box, we have 3 products here, which has a value of £30 and over. So we've got the Figs and Rouge product here, which is worth £30. We have the CBD, which is, what did I say, £60. We've got the beauty sticks, which is worth £50, which is quite cool. And then we've got the little box toppers, topper uppers I should say, which is the pillow spray and the hand serum. But the products themselves are really, really nice products. It's so nice to get something different in beauty boxes, because with all of the beauty boxes out there, it's kind of like the same products just doing the rounds in the boxes. So with this one, I've never seen those beauty sticks anywhere, so that's really unusual and new, which is exciting. Beauty Pro, yes, that brand does go around all the boxes, but I've never had a hand serum before. That is awesome, and now that it's properly sank into my hands, there's no residue there at all. Awesome again. The CBD stuff under the tongue, I've been wanting to try that kind of thing for ages, and now I actually have it, and it's not cheap to buy. As I say, that has a value of 60 quid. And yes, I do have the Figs and Rouge product in my cupboard. I've used it a few times and I keep forgetting about it, to be honest, and that's just reminded me, seeing how nice and hydrating and lovely it feels on the skin, to actually get it out and start using it again. But yeah, really happy. So yeah, this gets a huge thumbs up from me. What do you think? But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.